Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to create Zoosk account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with to get started with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome and on the search URL, type in zoosk.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on this login page. If you already have an account, you can simply log in by clicking on this login button from the upper right corner. Since we don't have an account yet, so we will go ahead and create a new account. Here you can simply sign up on Zoosk using your Facebook account or your Google account. Or you can simply provide your details and then enter your email address and create a new account. So here we will go ahead and create a new account through our email address. For that, first of all, you have to enter your gender, and under that you have to select whom you are interested in, and under that enter your birthday, that is your date of birth, and under the email address you have to enter your valid email address. Now under the password section, you have to create a strong password. Scroll a bit and under that you have to verify your identity. Click on I am a human. Once you're done with that, click on sign up and after that you will have an account on Zoosk. So that's how you can simply create a Zoosk account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will